Chicken Rezala, as you guys had requested. A few days ago I made a Chicken Rezala and you all wanted the recipe, so I've captured the recipe. Have a look, do enjoy it. I have to give credit where credit is due. I learnt this recipe during the pandemic from a channel called Shampa's Kitchen, and this is yum. Give it a try. For the Rezala, there are 5 grated onions, 250 grams of beaten dahi, about 20 kajus and about 3 tablespoons of khaskhas, which we call posto, made into a paste, 6 chopped green chilies according to your tolerance you can put it. This is some garam masala, there's some dry red chili, there's cinnamon, cardamom, black pepper and cloves, salt and pepper. This is about 4 onions cut as rings and some ghee, and we're going to cook this in white oil. I'm going to marinate the chicken. I'm going to put half the dahi in this from my 250 grams, so about 3 spoons I'm putting right now. A tablespoon of ginger paste and a tablespoon of garlic paste, salt to taste, a teaspoon of black pepper, and about 2 tablespoons of white oil. Give it a good mix. If you can leave it for a while after marination, nothing like it. Add oil to your pan and some ghee. You can also make it just with ghee. This is a rich dish, so you can have it with paratha or biryani, whatever you like. Add your garam masala, adding 5 onion ka paste, this is 5 onions made into a paste. Cook it till it changes its color a little bit. Add a little ginger paste and some more garlic paste. Cook this for a minute. Now I'm adding the kaju and khaskhas ka paste. Now cook this for a minute. Now add the green chilies and the rest of your dahi. Lower the flame and give it a good mix. Now add some salt to taste. 2 teaspoons of sugar, because this is a spicy and sweet recipe. Now keep cooking this. Now I'm going to add the marinated chicken. Cook this on high flame for about 5 minutes. I'm going to add some water. This is the dahi wala katori, and give it a good mix. Add the water based on how much gravy you want. When it comes to a boil, cover it and cook it for 15 minutes on low flame. 15 minutes are over. Now these onions, which were cut like rings, add it into your chicken. Mix it well. Now cover this on high flame for another 5 minutes. 5 minutes are over. We're almost done. The whole house is full of the Rezala aroma. Add a little garam masala, add a little ghee. Chicken Rezala is ready. Do let me know how you like it. Do give it a try and tell me how you like it. Home style chicken rezala.